So today we are gonna do a very beautiful activity. Who all love to sharpen the pencil? So what do you do of the shavings of the pencil? You throw it away? Okay, today I will tell you a very nice activity. Do not throw it. Okay? So let's start the activity. For this activity we will require some material, which are very simple material will require. One plain paper like this. Then some colors. Some pencil colors, some sketch pens, and this is glue, and the most important, the shavings of the pencil. So what we throw away, today we are going to make a very beautiful activity with these shavings. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you need to draw a pot or anything like this, some drawing. Okay, so here I have taken a pot. Okay, so on this pot we are going to color first, and then we are going to stick this into a very creative way. You can use your imaginations too. Okay. So let's begin the activity. So this pot I am going to color first. Okay. So I am using this purple color pencil. This is a color pencil. I am using it. I will color the whole pot. So in this way we need to color the whole pot. Okay. I have used a purple color. You can take any other pictures and you can do the coloring like this. And you can use your own imagination for doing in different ways. So now I have done this. After this we will take some shavings. You can choose anything. I have taken this pencil shavings. Now I am going to stick it into a very nice form. See, like this. Like this I will start sticking up. Okay. And we will make a design out of it. Okay. So let's begin. So kids, like this. Slowly you have to keep sticking it, sticking the pencil shavings, and you can make beautiful designs out of it. See how I am using it. Here I have made some semicircle. I have sticked it in a straight form. So you can use your imagination to stick as you want and make it very beautiful. So I am just completing this. Now see, we have completed the pot. I have done the outline also. Now let's start doing the stem, leaves and the flowers. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll color the stems. After that, the last part we'll do is we'll stick the shavings and make the flowers out of it. Okay. So let's color the stem right now like this. I'm using a sketch pen. So we have done with the leaves. I have painted all the leaves. I have started sticking the flowers. So this is also the shavings of the pencils. I have used it and I am sticking the. I have made it as a flower. I am sticking the flowers right now. So like this, you need to stick it up. Apply the glue. And nicely you stick it like this. Hold for some time, so let it dry it up and it will be nicely stuck up. See, like this. You have to do it like this. Press it slightly. See, the flower is done. It's looking nice. So let's try. And you too start doing this and it will come out very nicely. Isn't it looking nice? So we have finished up with sticking up all the flowers and little painting and everything. Whatever you want to decorate, you can decorate as per your imagination. I have done it like this for an example. I have given the borders, finishing and everything. So now it is looking nice. So kids, how does this look? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? अच्छा लग रहा है? So next time पेंसिल के शेविंग्स फेंकना नहीं, आप उससे कुछ अच्छे ड्राइंग्स, पेंटिंग्स और क्राफ्ट बना सकते हैं. So this is best out of waste. ठीक है बच्चों? So try something. ऐसे कुछ बनाना, आप फिशेस बना सकते हो, अलग अलग टाइप के पॉट्स बना सकते हो और कुछ भी बना सकते हो. आपका इमेजिनेशन यूज करो और अच्छी चीजें बनाओ. ठीक है बच्चों? Till then, see you.